Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the trademark symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a trademark symbol in your Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just open a document here, and now I just click on any cell and just zooming in. So now click on this plus symbol on the top. You can't find any insert symbol option here. Why? There is no insert symbol option present on the Google Sheet mobile. So instead of that, you can just use your alternative as your keyboard. So here I just using Google keyboard. You can use your own keyboard. Click on this number section in Google keyboard. Click on this symbol section again. You will find the trademark symbol here. So this is how you just insert a trademark symbol. The second way of inserting the trademark symbol, you just need to click on the enter formula, click on this emoji option, click on the search option and just type as trademark. So you can find the trademark symbol here also. These are the two ways to insert the trademark symbol on your Google Sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.